This is just imagination land. The STEM lab is where you can get your juices going.
Welcome to the STEM lab at Hartsfield Elementary, where curiosity pretty much runs the show. This NES magnet school on Houston's Southside is packed with 3D printers, flying drones, circuits, the list goes on.
And this one's actually very powerful. Now this is our bad machine right here. This one right here is our Land Rover. Really fun.
And sure, it all looks like a ton of fun, but every gadget in here teaches real-world skills.
And I think 3D printing is a gateway because now during game days, our basketball season just started. We start selling tiger heads. We start selling miniature jerseys and giving them out in plaques, little trophies.
Students even learn how their ideas can help people in practical ways.
So like even the glasses holders. There's kids out here with broken glasses. If we want to show them how to 3D map, we can replace that little piece of glass and just add it on and glue it on right up back to your broken glasses. Then you can fix your problem right then and there.
Before anyone gets to 3D print their creations, they have to earn it by showing success in the classroom.
So competitions are secret ingredient here. We like to get them going. We like to get them going because why does she always get her 3D printing going on every week? To show you her scores. She's got all blues, all greens, and it gives them added motivation to come to school.
With their STEM teacher guiding them, students get to bring their ideas to life.
We can make them their own wallets, their own banking system where they can keep track of how much money they have for that week, how much they made for that month. So we want to make sure that the world is bigger than just MLK, bigger than just Third Ward, bigger than just Sunnyside. We want them to make sure it's bigger than just Houston.
Inside this lab, kids aren't just learning STEM, they're discovering a world of possibilities.